Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070420 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also trying to install Windows latest update and failed with error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute these three dism tool one by one followed by enter key on each time. These three dism tool execute in command prompt windows. Dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter execute the command sfc scan now. Simply type sfc scan now and press enter on your command prompt windows. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. But before, don't forget to restart your system. The next workaround is right click on the start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter, go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters. Click on other troubleshooters and here run Windows Update troubleshoot. It will not only detect the issued, it will try to fix your Windows Update related issues. So you must run Windows Update troubleshooter and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box in your system and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system and in services windows will now open here a start or restart 3 to 4 Windows update related services and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Look for background intelligent transfer services, right click on it and first choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Choose start or restart and after that apply a open its properties and here go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. Finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. The same process will be applied for other three services and the second one is look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The third services is Windows Installer Services. Look for Windows Installer Services, scroll down and you will find the option Windows Installer Services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the next services is Windows Update Services. Start or restart Windows Update Services, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, run Windows Update. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute these Windows Update components as shown on screen. First, stop these 4 services, execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Net stop, stop these 4 services. After that, execute these commands one by one. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply one by one copy it and paste it in command prompt windows and press enter. Follow on screen instruction to complete the execution process of all these Windows update components. And after that, start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. And after that, once successfully execution of these Windows update components, restart your system and check whether your system Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, manually download and install Windows Update. To manually download Windows updates, go to your Chrome browser and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field and choose first result appeared as Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on it. And here type the KB update which you want to download and install and fail to update. So simply paste it in here and look for search and manually download and install Windows latest update.